From Hattie McDaniel winning the Best Supporting Actor Female Award and becoming the first black woman to achieve this feat in 1940 at the Oscars, to Heath Ledger being awarded posthumously for his splendid performance as the Joker in The Dark Knight, the Academy Awards have given us many such historic and remarkable moments. Today, we will be talking about some such incredible moments witnessed at the Oscars in history and some interesting facts about the Academy Awards. Let us go back a little in time and look at the history of the Academy Awards, which today are considered the most prestigious in the field of entertainment and is a dream of every actor, director and performer there is. As remarkable as these awards are, its history is also incredible. The Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Science was founded in 1927. Soon afterwards, a dinner was hosted in the Crystal Ballroom of the Biltmore Hotel in downtown Los Angeles. The main motto of this meeting was to discuss the new organization's aims and goals. While there were numerous points that were discussed that night, one of the prime objectives that were talked about was to provide a way for recognizing the excellent achievements in the field of motion picture production. In one of these meetings, it was the MGM art director Cedric Gibbons who drew an image of a knight holding a sword and standing tall in front of a film reel. The design was discussed and many variants were created, from which Gibbons chose one. The completed design simplified the knight's shape and relocated the film reel beneath its feet. This was how the now iconic figurine was created. There is also a very interesting history behind how the Oscars got their name. The most popular explanation, and one given by AMPS officials, is one that goes back to 1931. The story goes that when an Academy Awards librarian named Margaret Herrick first saw the golden figure, she exclaimed that the blank-faced and stern eyebrow reminded her of her uncle Oscar, and hence the name. She later went on to become AMPA's director. Though it was founded in 1927, the presentation was first started in 1929, and winners since then received this gold-plated statue, the Oscar. The first Oscar ceremony comprised 12 categories, apart from 2 special honors. The awards were meant to honor people responsible for cinematic achievements in 1927 and 1928. There was a very little element of surprise at the first Oscar Awards ceremony, as the names of the winners had been declared 3 months in advance. The first Oscar for the Best Actor was bagged by German tragedian Emil Jannings for The Last Command and The Way of All Flesh. The actor had to return to Europe before the ceremony, so he requested the Academy to give him the award early. His request was accepted, making his statue the very first Academy Award to be ever presented. It was in 1966 that the Academy Awards ceremony broadcast took place in color for the very first time. This allowed the viewers at home to experience the dazzling allure of the event. After that, there was no looking back, and the popularity of the awards ceremony reached insurmountable heights. Today, Oscars are telecasted internationally, reaching movie fans in over 200 countries. Since 2002, the awards have been broadcast from the Kodak Theatre, mesmerizing the locals as well as the international audience. In all these years, the audience have witnessed some remarkable moments, which has made the Academy Awards even more special. The first momentous moment was when actress Hattie McDaniel won the award for the Best Supporting Actress for her role as Mammy in the Gone with the Wind 1939. The moment marked the first win by a black woman after more than a decade since the start of the Oscars. However, McDaniel wasn't allowed to sit with the rest of the film's cast and was seated at the back of the venue. There have been 6 ties in Oscars history, and the one that got the most buzz came in 1969 when Barbara Streisand and Katharine Hepburn both won the Best Actress award. Streisand for The Funny Girl and Hepburn for The Lion in Winter. The bulk of iconic silent film star Charlie Chaplin's career occurred before the Oscars began, but his impact on the industry was incomparable. To recognize that, the Academy gave him an honorary award in 1972, and when he did receive it, he was given a standing ovation that lasted a whopping 12 minutes. making it one of the best Oscar moments ever.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.